Hello, everyone. My name is Megan Hartley. Welcome to another episode of Keep What's Yours, a video series designed to help you avoid having your assets turned over to the state as unclaimed property. Today, I'm going to explain how you can find out if you have unclaimed property that has already been turned over to the state. You might be owed money you didn't even know about. It actually happens more often than you think. It could be some type of refund check that you didn't know was coming, or you could have stock or an old bank account you forgot about. One of the best places to start is either by typing in missingmoney.com right into your browser or heading to your favorite search engine and typing in missingmoney.com. Let's go ahead and select that first result. You'll know you're at the right place because the site will confirm it is endorsed by the National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators and the National Association of State Treasurers. Now it's as simple as typing in your first and last name. Do you see your name and your address where you lived? That's probably your money to claim. And don't forget to check states that you lived in years ago, even if it was for a short amount of time. These could actually be the most likely states holding unclaimed funds for you. The nice thing about this website is that over 35 states have their information here. So if you've lived in more than one place, it can be your one-stop shop. However, if you have a super common name like our John Smith, you may want to select the state you lived in, type in your name, and then search. Once you click on the claim button to the left of your name, the website will walk you through how to file your claim and what information is required. Now, not every state is part of missingmoney.com, but many states have similar processes to claim funds. And if you feel more comfortable going directly to the state government website and searching for your unclaimed property there, that works just as well. Just type in the specific state and unclaimed property into your search engine. Now, you'll have a lot of options to choose from, so make sure you choose the official state website. Good luck searching. I've got my fingers crossed that this information will help you find your money today.